With a little bit of glitter, you can easily make anything shine. Even ornaments. For the rest of the supplies, check the description below. Now let's get cracking on these festive glitter ornaments. The first thing you have to do is pick out what kind of ornament you want. I'll be using 4-inch plastic ones, but you can also use glass if you prefer. And shout out to my family for letting me try the glass ones they had on hand. Next, take the top off of your ornament. Rest it temporarily on a small paper cup. In order for the glitter to stick to the inside of the ornament, we'll be using Minwax's Polycrylic Clear Gloss Topcoat. To get an accurate amount of glue into the ornament, I highly recommend using a syringe. With the one I have, you can also set the exact amount. For 4-inch ornaments, use 10 milliliters, 3-inch, 7.5 milliliters, and anything smaller, 5 milliliters. Once the top coat is in the ornament, slowly swirl it around to cover the entire inside. I usually like to go over it at least twice. Dump the excess glue into the paper cup, and leave the ornament upside down so the rest drips out. While it's semi-drying, let's work on another ornament. By the time we're done with this one, the first one should be ready to glitter. Okay, so it's ready to go. Take a 2-inch funnel and place it into the neck of the ornament. Put in about a tablespoon or so of extra fine glitter. Place the ornament opening on the palm of your hand. Shake it until the glitter fills the entire ornament. Also, make sure you get the glitter in the neck part too. Once the entire inside is covered, shake out the remaining glitter into the paper cup. Rest the ornament back upside down on the paper cup and put it to the side. Next, we'll need our Cricut to make a custom holiday phrase to put on. Take permanent white vinyl and place it onto your standard grip mat. If your Cricut doesn't already have it installed, switch to the fine point blade. Open up Cricut Design Space and click on New Project. You can either select from the library of images they have or upload your own. I created my own in Illustrator, so I'll upload those. Fields of Heather Crafts has a great guide on what sizes work best for different ornaments. Since I have a 4-inch ornament, I'm going to set my width for each of these to 3.25 inches. Duplicate however many you need. When you're ready, click Make It. Set your mat size. Then, arrange your designs so that there's room around them. It'll make it easier to cut out and place on the ornament later. Click Continue. Back to our Cricut, turn the dial to vinyl. Then, load the mat. Press the flashing Go button, and the Cricut will start cutting out our design. When it's done, unload the mat. Next, gently remove the vinyl and cut out one of your designs. Peel back the vinyl, making sure not to lift up your text and images. Using a weeding tool, remove the remaining empty spaces. For example, the spaces on these script letters. If you're making multiple ornaments like me, find a buddy to help you make the process go faster.
I'm using my nails and everything, and you peel it off like there's no tomorrow. Just use my thumb.
Okay, maybe a little faster. Next, take Cricut transfer tape and cut out a piece that fits the size of your design. Peel it and place it on top of the vinyl. Using a scraper tool, burnish your design. Flip it over and slowly peel off the vinyl backing. It helps to do it diagonally. If the vinyl doesn't stay on the transfer tape, you can use the scraper tool to flatten it and try again. To make it easier to place our design onto the curved surface, take scissors and cut slits around the edges. For big gaps, I usually make a long cut. With our designs all ready, it's time to put them on our ornaments. Slowly press down on the vinyl, going from the middle out. With the design intact, peel away the transfer tape. If you want to give your ornament an extra flair, you can also add a ribbon. But remember to briefly put the cut edges over a gentle flame. This will prevent the fabric from fraying. Oh geez, I almost forgot about our disc ornament. Let's put that holiday phrase on too. And there you have it. Now you can spruce up your tree with your own holiday-themed glitter ornaments. Let us know in the comments below how yours turned out. And if this video helped, please give us a like. And if you're looking for more arts and crafts how-tos or learn something new and entirely different, be sure to check out our how-to hub and subscribe. Your next project might be right here. Well, I gotta get back to making a lot more glitter ornaments, so I'll catch you guys later. What color should I go with next? Blue.